Quartz versus porcelain countertops. Which is better for your kitchen? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about quartz versus porcelain countertops. If you're planning a new kitchen or renovation, choosing the right countertop material can make a big difference in durability, appearance, and maintenance. So let's compare both and see which one suits your lifestyle. Quartz countertops are engineered stone made from natural quartz crystals mixed with resins. They offer smooth patterns, consistent colors, and a polished look. Quartz is great if you want a clean, modern, and uniform finish. On the other hand, porcelain countertops are made from refined clay fired at high temperatures. Porcelain can mimic marble, concrete, wood, or even metal textures. If you're chasing a premium natural stone look without high maintenance, porcelain is a strong option. It also comes in very large slabs, which means fewer visible joints. Quartz is durable and resistant to scratches, however, it is not very heat resistant. Placing hot pots directly on quartz can cause discoloration or burn marks. Porcelain is extremely strong, scratch-proof, UV resistant, and highly heat resistant. You can safely place hot cookware on it. Porcelain is also a top choice for outdoor kitchens because it doesn't fade in sunlight. Quartz is non-porous, meaning no sealing is needed and it's resistant to stains. Daily cleaning is simple, just water and mild soap. Porcelain is also non-porous, highly hygienic, and easy to clean. However, because porcelain slabs are thinner, edges require careful finishing by experienced fabricators. Quartz tends to be less expensive in standard colors, but premium designs can cost more. Installation is easier because the slabs are thick and stable. Porcelain may be more expensive and requires skilled installers since it's slimmer and can chip if handled improperly. But the long-term durability may justify the investment. So, which one should you choose? Choose quartz if you want a warm indoor countertop with consistent patterns and easy installation. Choose porcelain if you want heat resistance, outdoor suitability, and a high-end marble look with almost no maintenance. Both are excellent choices. Just pick what fits your design style and usage needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.